Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Gold US dollar in front of us right now. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you have made good money because I clearly explained that though market was standing above the support level, but I told you that there is a good possibility that market may go down and take support here. And many of you have commented that you have made good profit. uh, anyways, that's really nice to hear that. Okay, so let's find out what should be a strategy for Monday. Okay, so overall the setup of the gold USD chart remains same, nothing has changed much. Okay, because see, this blue line is still the ultimate support for the market, the 1750. This is the ultimate support for the market. On the other hand, this red line, okay, this red line has become was kind of a temporary support for the market, but right now you can see that market is constantly taking support at this level. Therefore 1790, this level has become very crucial support for the market. Okay, so we this is the support 1, this is the support 2, 1750 is the support 2 and 1790 is the support 1. Okay, on the other hand, you can see that market is also uh, trading in a channel here. In your charting platform or trading platform, I'll request you to draw these lines here so that you can understand the chart better, so that you can understand the market better. So please join these dots here, price levels here. Once you join these price levels, you will get this trend line which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Okay. And on the other hand, once you join these price levels, you will get the support for the market or the dynamic support for the market, because this support line or this trend line is acting as a dynamic support for the market. So this is the overall setup of gold US dollar. Right now you can see that though though gold was above this support level yesterday, it was trying to go up, but ultimately it failed and saw some heavy selling pressure, took support here and right now trading here. Okay. Overall the setup may look very simple to us, but if you look at the present position of the price, okay, then there are some complexities here. Things are not very simple. Overall the chart is simple, setup is nice and simple, but here you can see that there is some complications going on, because generally what the basic rule says, as per the basic rule, when the market will be in the support, when market will bounce from the support, go for a buy order, plain and simple. But when gold was above the support level, I clearly told you that though gold is standing at support, but do not buy. And clearly you can see that after that it saw some heavy selling pressure also, but after that again the price bounce. Things are very complicated, it's not it? Okay, so what should be our strategy? Okay, what should be a strategy? To be honest, okay, to be honest, I will not personally trade on this chart here, because see, we have a support here. Okay, this is the support. This trend line is the support here, and this is also the support here. And right now, gold is caught in this range here. Okay, let me change the color. And if you look at this portion of the chart here, then you can see that gold has formed a high. Gold has formed a high here. One came down and went up again. It made another high, but this time gold failed to cross the previous high, rather it made a lower high here, which clearly signifies that sellers are present in the market that did not allow the market to cross the previous high. Okay, though market is in uptrend, okay, though market is in uptrend right now, but at this particular portion of the chart here, okay, at this particular portion of the chart here, do you still think that bulls are dominating? No. Right now some sellers, okay, sellers are influencing the market. The influence of sellers are much more in comparison to the buyers. Market is in uptrend, but sellers are dominating right now. As a result, we are seeing this kind of candlestick pattern. And if you look at this portion of the chart here, then you can clearly see a divergence here. Divergence means whenever there is a mismatch between the price and the indicator. And to be honest, divergence is one of the most popular trading strategy, you can say trading formula also. Traders trade around the world. Even I also use divergence. So whenever we get a divergence like this, there is a possibility that market will be going down. In fact, yesterday I recommended a sell just by looking at this divergence only. So you can see that there was a divergence, and this divergence was a big one. Okay, there was a huge mismatch between the price and the indicator, and as a result you saw some selling run. But right now market is caught here in this range, so therefore I'll tell you just to avoid gold USD. Okay, avoid gold USD, avoid, because my theory is simple. You should not risk your hard-earned money on a chart that you do not understand. And right now the chart of gold USD is too complicated. Why you should risk your hard-earned money on gold USD chart when there are plenty of good opportunities available on other charts? Therefore, in my recommendation, you should avoid gold USD until and unless you see some good buying pressure or buying power from this particular level. In case on Monday market starts trading above this level, and if you see a good bounce from the support here, then you can go for a buy order. But as long as you find gold USD trading in this range, in this mess, I'll literally use the word mess here. Okay, till then please avoid gold US dollar. If you look at the chart of dollar also, okay, you can look at the chart of dollar also. Dollar is in uptrend. I have clearly explained in many of my videos that your dollar is in uptrend, and as we all know, if dollar starts going up, the price of gold will fall. Okay, so the overall there is not much room for gold also, and in case dollar starts coming down to take support at this trend line, okay, then you may see some buying pressure or buying power in the gold chart. But overall, this chart is not convincing for your hard-earned money. In simple words, this chart does not deserve your hard-earned money. In my opinion, this is my analysis. Your analysis may vary also. So my dear friend, uh, if your analysis varies, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care, and please try to avoid gold US dollar.